Okay, we're in the lesson 2 of Python about debugging. So, machines will refuse to follow instructions from a human if they contain mistake. The code below contains an error. Python will return an error message. Run the code to get the error message. Okay, let's type the run in here. And if you use a phone, maybe the run would be displayed at the top. Okay, I mean the runner.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so what's this? So the syntax errors will display here.
Yeah.
Yes. While scanning string literal. Do you know why? I just show
No.
you. Yes, I just show you a variable, and yeah, do you know the debugging is string, and it's make another quotation like this, you know, and now I
Yeah.
run it.
Yeah.
Yes, it's just debug. Yeah, is there no error because I just missed the quotation, and yeah, it showed me the error. Okay,
Yeah.
all right. So that's the error because we missed the quotation. Let's continue. The line of code below contains a bug. Can you identify it?
Parenthesis. I'm missing.
Okay, you're good. Even the tiniest typo or a misplaced tab in your code will result in an error. The line of code below is meant to create a new variable, but something is wrong. Something is wrong?
Um, I
Yeah.
think the third one.
Okay, is that good?
Yeah.
Yes, I have to notice you use because in Python they knows such as sign yes synologies because when you want to create a variable and assign a value, it must be used equal sign, okay, not this sign.
Yes.
So the
Okay.
the right answer an equal sign should be used to connect name and value. This is the name that would be color, and the value of color is red. Okay, I check.
Right. Yeah.
Alright. Produce a line of code to store a movie title in a variable named movie.
Yeah.
So the name movie should be in the first. Okay. And next,
An equal sign.
yes, and choose this one or that one.
Other. The
Which?
one with the quotation.
Okay, the one with the quotation. Good. Select the name of the variable that is storing a string. This is the name of the variable, and this is the
Yes.
values. This is a number, and this is a string. Okay? Was means string.
Yeah.
Okay? So the
Yes.
variable that is storing a string, which one?
Surname.
Okay, surname.
Surname.
Yes, perfect. Both are an expected part of writing code. The trick to being a good coder is staying cool when dealing with bugs. A piece of code can contain multiple bugs. Can you fix the code to display the string? Can you fix?
Close parenthesis. Close quotation.
Okay, close quotation. Okay, and close the parenthesis like this.
Yes.
Okay, let's
Yes.
run. Alright, great progress. If your code contains multiple bugs, you need to fix all of them for the code to be executed correctly. Which lines contain bugs? Yes, I must show you the bug. Did,
Um. Uh.
did you
Second
see?
and third.
Okay, the first. Okay, And which
Yes.
one? And the 2, okay?
The second.
Because
Yes.
yeah, a string should be in a quotation marks, okay?
Quotation. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Alright, let's check. Alright, let's skip this, okay?
All
At
right.
which line will this code stop the execution? Yes, you must know where the error.
The third line.
Yes, the third line. No. Do you know why? And the second line is also wrong too. As I said before, a string
Yeah.
should be inside a quotation marks.
Quotation. That's true.
Yes, okay. So let's continue.
Yeah.
The code below contains births in lines 2 and 3. Here, line 2 and line 3. The computer will get stuck at line 2. Why?
Line two. Line two contains the first error.
Okay.
Yeah.
After an error is encountered, the computer will stop reading and executing code. At which line will this code stop execution? Yeah, you must choose wisely.
Third.
You must choose
No, second.
wisely where the error. The first one,
The second one.
the second one.
Yes.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
It's supposed to have quotation, right?
Okay, this is the third line, and the second line isn't wrong. You can see this is salary, and a sign with its value will be number, and its bring the salary will be 70,000 will display on the screen, but age would be assigned with the equal. Yes, not this sign, and I don't know how to pronounce this sign in English. Sorry.
No problem. But I
Okay.
think the salary is supposed to have quotation.
No, because a number don't need a quotation. Okay, number don't need a quotations. Just string, I mean words
Okay.
like this needs a quotation marks. Okay, let's
Oh, okay,
continue.
I get. Yeah.
Calling the name of a variable that has not been defined is a very common error. What will this code send to the screen? Hmm. You can see the
An
balance.
error is
Okay, an
variable has
error.
not been. Yeah.
Yeah, yes, had not been
Yeah.
declared because the balance just have them any values.
Yeah.
The code below will return an error. Why? Do you know why?
I'm coming.
Yes, the code below will return an error.
The
Okay,
variable is being called before it has been declared.
yes, the variable being called because it had been declared. Okay, let's check. Okay, perfect. Complete the code to declare two variables and send the car model to the screen. To declare two variables and send the car model to the screen. That means print the car model to the screen. So which side we should use here?
Equal.
Okay, so in this we should use how to
Print.
print. Okay, alright, let's check. Alright, let's jump to the standard and pet practice. And if you have money, you can okay subscribe for the pro. And if you don't want, just use the free. Okay, free mode.
How much does it cost?
I don't know. You can download the app and watch. Millions of
Okay.
coders develop and maintain computer programs every day. Universal standards and best. Okay, sorry. Okay, I'm come back.
All right.
All right. Millions of coders develop and maintain computer programs every day. Universal standards and best practices are needed for collaboration. In this lesson, you start applying some of these standards and best practices used in the tech industry. Professional developers use comments to add descriptions and explanations to their programs. You can add comments to your Python code with the hash symbol. Okay, this is a hash symbol.
Okay.
Okay, we'll add a symbol like this.
Hard.
This will display a message. I mean, yeah, this is common, and when you run the code, it does not comply the comment. So yeah, the comment is just so at the description, and it's not the code. So yeah, it does not run anything. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, the comment does not run anything. That is you need to understand. Okay, let's check. Comments make code easier to read for humans. Complete the code to create a comment that explains what the code is doing. So we choose three buttons. Which button first?
Hashtag.
Yeah, okay, you stuck. Yes, I will choose for you. The first one is the hash symbol. It will display a comment. And the next one is declaring a variable. That means we're declaring a variable. As I said before, comment does not run anything. So if you don't want to write comment, that don't need to write a comment. And
What happens if you tap display instead of declaring?
uh, okay, so we use declaring because the users create a variable in here below the comment. Okay, they create
Yeah.
a transaction variable and assigned value will be accepted. So we should use declaring a variable, not displaying a variable. When they use print to display the transaction variable, we must use the display. I mean, just all it works.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Want to know why? Would you like to check with AI?
All
Okay,
right.
let's check. So your answer is correct because it effectively uses a comment to describe the code's purpose. The comment clarifies that a variable is being declared, making the code easier to understand for anyone reading it. Great job on clarity. Okay, how to pronounce this word?
Clarity.
Okay, clarity. Comments will help others and future you to understand the code. Comments are not instructions, they are ignored by machines. Okay?
Yeah.
Yes. So the comment here, we have two comments. You can see the first comment is declaring payment variables, and the second comment is displaying status. So we declare three variables, that is currency, amount, and status. Okay, but we just bring the status variable. Okay, let's run.
That's overdue.
Yes, overdue. Continue. Comments in code are what? Which ones?
Instructions for the computer.
Instruction for the computer.
Explanations.
Are you sure?
Explanations for human. No explanation for human.
Okay. It's a good practice to use comments in your code. Is that right or false?
True.
True.
Yes.
Okay.
True.
You can use commas to temporarily disable a statement. This way, the computer will skip the instruction. What will this code send to the screen?
An error.
An error? Are you sure? Because when we comment, that means the computer.
Oh, sorry. Nothing.
Okay, nothing. Yes, comment are nothing.
Yeah.
Yes, it's just an instruction for human, not a computer.
Not for the computer.
This code will result in an error. Why?
The third
Okay,
option.
because
Yeah.
what?
The variable declaration statement is commented, and so it is ignored by the computer.
Okay, you're right. Python is a case-sensitive language, meaning A uppercase and A lowercase are treated as different. How many different variables are being declared in the code below? Let's see.
3.
3.
Yes.
Are you sure?
You are laughing at me.
Okay, you're right. I don't
Yeah.
I don't understand this word. I mean, Eureka or something. I don't know. This works.
Eureka.
Eureka. Python is a case-sensitive language. True or false? Okay, that's much true because we just do it.
Yeah.
Complete the code to display the values of the declared variable on the screen. Which one we should use? The first one, the
The
second
third one.
one, the first one. Are you
The
sure?
third one.
Oh, the third one.
No, the third one.
Okay, okay. Let's check. All right. Snack case is a popular way to create variable names in a consistent way. Snack case uses underscores to separate words in a variable name. Select the recommended variable name in snack case style.
The third one.
The third one, okay, underscore. What would you call a variable that stores a user ID?
Uh,
Which one we just learned about the underscore?
Second one.
Yes. Complete the code below to add a comment and declare a variable using the snack case style. Which one?
Hashtag.
Okay, so
Then,
we use hash symbol to comment. Okay, hash symbol comment.
yeah,
And in this
yeah.
case, we should use a
That's
underscore.
four.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, finish another lesson. Okay. Let's jump to the lesson applying best practices.
All right.
It's time to
How many
put.
lessons are we doing today?
Okay, can you. What just you say?
I said, how many lessons are we going to do today?
Okay, after this lesson, we'll end. Okay, we'll end our lesson.
All right.
It's time to put into practice the skills and best practices you've learned. You avoid bugs and solve problems while they just use small case physics. I don't know, solve problems involving variables and different data types. Spaces are not allowed in variable names. Python will return an error if your variable names contain spaces. how would you create a valid variable name? How would you create a valid variable name? What should we choose?
Underscore.
Okay,
Underscore.
alright, let's check. Remember that Python is a case-sensitive language. How would you declare the variable?
Format. The first one.
Okay, use the correct symbol to make the first line a comment. Okay, the first one too is a hard symbol. Are,
Yes.
are you sure? Let's check.
Yes.
A variable name can contain numbers but cannot start with a number. Select the variable name that will result in an error message. Okay, we should choose the
The
wrong
third one.
variable. The third one.
The third one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Complete the code so it can be executed without errors. What should we choose?
The second one.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can use a variable to construct a new variable. What will this code send to the screen? Which one?
Um. Hold on. The first one.
The first one.
Yeah.
Alright. What will this code send to the screen?
The third one.
Okay, the third one. What will this code send to the
Eureka.
screen? You must see it clearly. Okay, what's that noise?
The third one.
The third one?
The fourth one.
The first one?
The fourth one.
The first one?
The fourth one. The last one.
The last one? Is this K?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, why do you use to the final one? Because this use the print at the third.
No, sorry. Yeah, an error message.
Okay, because new salary is not declared before the print. Okay, let's
Yeah.
check. Okay. What will this code send to the screen?
The last one.
The last one.
Yes.
Yes, the salary we have 1,000 and the pay rise and new salary are okay. They just tell us to print the salary, so it must be the 1,000.
Yeah.
Recorded the statements to create code that sends the value 220 to the string. Hmm.
Come again.
Reorder the statements. As mean we can choose first one or second one on the first or second, and just reorder the
Okay.
statement. Okay, which one at the first?
Yeah. Um.
Is it right?
Budget. Budgets first.
Okay, budget first. Is this right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. What will this code display on the screen? Let's choose wisely.
Uh, okay. Hold on.
Yes. Let's think and choose wisely. You can see, okay, this is the first value and this is the second value. What should the value display in the screen, on the screen? Okay, it must be the second value, okay?
Okay. Why?
Because they use two variables that had the same name and this, the final variable has the final value will be print, okay? So,
All right.
okay, so you must see at the screen and see what is the final values of this variable and choose that. That's the correct one.
All right.
What will this code send to the screen? Hmm, you know.
7.
Yes, as I told you, look at the final value would be 7. Select
Yeah.
the invalid variable names that would result in error messages. Select, yes, you have to notice. Select all correct answer. So let's choose
The third one.
the third one, the first one, okay?
Yeah, the first one is okay. The second one is okay.
The second one is okay. And what about the third one?
No,
No, okay. What about the
no,
fourth one?
sorry. Yeah,
What about the fourth one?
you don't get me. Can you hear me?
I can hear you, okay?
I said the first one is okay. Don't select it.
The first one is
Even the
okay.
second one.
You mean the
Yes, don't
second one?
select them. Select the third one only and the fourth one.
Hey, listen, you need to read these uh, questions clearly. Select the invalid variable names that would result in error messages.
Yes, the first two will not result in error messages.
So what box we should choose in this case?
The third one, the fourth one, and the fifth one will result in an error message.
Okay, okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Fix the bugs in the given code. Use net case for the variable name.
Hold on.
Okay. I can remind you snack k mean underscore.
Yeah.
Yes. What should we do now?
We should include underscore.
Okay, underscore. Okay, underscore like this.
Yeah.
And then what?
Equal sign.
Equal sign. Okay. Alright. So we complete our today lessons. And in the next lesson, we'll learn about the inputs and outputs. Okay. And we also do the learn about the data types and about quicks. Yes, for the bottom two quicks. Okay, see you next time.
All right.
Alright.
All right.